Hi boys and girls, it's me again. I am not on any kind of detective mission this time. I just have some new snap words that I want to teach you that you can add to your reading and to your writing. So let's take a look at those right away. We already know kind of how to do this. We've done this before together. So we should be A-okay in making some new snap words. Now what you're going to need is a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. So I will give you a few seconds to grab those. But go ahead and pause the video if you need to while you gather those materials. Alright, so if you have your materials ready, we are ready to add a few new snap words to our word wall. Alright, so we know to make it a snap word, the very first thing we have to do is we have to read the word. Well, here's our first word. This is the word big. Let's read it together. Big. Alright, now we're going to study it. And if you are in person at Avery, your teacher can pause the video if you guys are doing this together, and you can tell them what you see. My friends that are virtual with me, you can tell me what you see. It has that short I in the middle. I. Very good. 3 letters. B-ig. Yeah, that short I is going to be really important. Good studying. All right, let's spell it together. Here we go. How about let's do cheerleader voice. Give me a B. And then you say B. Give me an I. I. Give me a G. G. What's that spell? Big. Good. All right, now we're going to do the cover, write, and check. So take out your camera and take a quick picture. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to try to cover it. Maybe we'll do it this way. Oh, fiddlesticks, guys. I thought that was going to work. Let me try it a different way. Be patient so I don't have to start all over again. Let's grab a square. I don't know why that didn't work. There we go. All right. Go ahead and take your mental picture again because I'm sure now you've forgotten it. Okay. And now I want you to write it. Okay. Now we're going to check it. You need to have on your board or on your paper exactly what's on this card in exactly this order. B-I-G. Good. Now you're going to use it in a sentence. I went down the big slide at the park. I have a big sister. Excellent. That's the word big. So we're going to get rid of the word big. Maybe. Guys, it's my first time really using Jamboard for this. I just wanted to see if it would work. It's working. I'm just having to figure it out as I go. All right, here's our next word. Make. Let's read it together. Make. All right, let's study it. What do you notice? Okay. Well, here's what I notice. I don't know if anybody realized this or not, but this A is making the long sound like an acorn. Thumb up if you also noticed that. Okay, but you know what else I noticed? You know, we just talked about, we are starting this new case about the mysterious silent E. And I noticed that this E on the end of make, it doesn't make a sound. Isn't that interesting? And that A is making its long sound in this word. I'll have to think about that. All right, now let's spell it together. Are you ready? Let's do a whisper voice this time. Here we go. Good. All right, let's see if this is going to work. Oh, it is. Perfect. All right, go ahead and take a mental picture of the word make. Click, click. I'm going to cover it up. Maybe. And I want you to write it. All right, let's check it. Let's read what we have. M-A-K-E. Excellent. All right, I'm going to use it in a sentence. You can also have your teacher pause if you guys want to share sentences in your class. I want to make a cake. How's that? Make a cake. I like to make a mess. Okay. Excellent work. All right, let's get rid of make. You ready to see our next word? This is the word eat. Let's read that together. Eat. Good. Now we're going to study it. This is definitely an interesting word. Now, E is saying its name. So I know that this is a long E. Eat. But you know what I don't hear? I don't hear a sound for this A. Eat. Do you guys hear it? Let me say it one more time. Eat. I just hear an E and a T. Isn't that interesting? This kind of throws a wrench in our mystery. There's just an A sitting there that's not making a sound at all. Eat. We'll have to study that some more. All right, let's spell it together. And this time you can yell it as loud as you can. I'm not going to yell because my kids are sleeping and my husband is teaching down the hall from me. So I'm going to do it in a regular voice, but you guys can do it in a loud voice. E, A, T. Excellent. Pull out your mental camera and take a picture. I'm going to cover it and you're going to write it. All right, let's check it. And on your board or your paper, you should have written E, A, T. Excellent. All right, let's practice using it in a sentence. And again, you can do this with your teachers in person, or if you're watching this virtually, you can use your own sentences, but I'll use one just to practice. I like to eat bananas. Eat. All right. Let's see what the next one is. I think, yeah, we have 2 more left. All right. This is the word out. Let's read it together. Out. Now let's study it. This is really a collection of some mysterious words because when I say out, ow, I hear O-W, ow, but I see an O-U, out. That's quite a mystery. Yeah, that U is making a W sound? What in the world is going on with these words? I don't know. Let's spell it together. This time let's do mouse voices. O, U, T. Very good. All right, take a picture with your mental camera. All right, go ahead and write it. Okay, let's check it. You should have O-U-T written. All right, let's use it in a sentence. I like to go out for dinner. I like to go out for dinner. Excellent. All right, we have 1 more left. This is the word take. Let's read it together. Take. All right, let's study that for a second. Take. Well, I see an A in the middle, and it's saying its long sound. It's saying its name. A, like acorn. Ache. But, well, what do we have here? This mysterious silent E is on the end of this word. Goodness gracious. I wonder if that's why this A is saying its name. Ache. Very interesting. All right, let's spell it together. And this time, let's just do our normal voices. T, A, K, E. Excellent. All right, take your mental picture. And let's cover it up. See if you can write it. Okay, let's check it. T, A, K, E. Excellent. All right, let's use it in a sentence. I like to take my time. Take. All right, guys, you did such a great job. Thank you for being patient with me while I tried something new for our snap words. I hope that you can put these on your word wall with your teachers, and you can use these in your reading and in your writing. Have a great day, guys.